Today we are going to talk about DodgePrint, a tool designed to help e-commerce sellers automate print-on-demand workflows across multiple stores. Many online business owners struggle with managing orders, fulfilling products, and keeping everything updated when they sell on more than one platform. DodgePrint aims to simplify this process by connecting your stores and handling repetitive tasks automatically. In this video, I will explain what DodgePrint is, how it works, who it is useful for, and how the AppSumo lifetime deal works with this tool. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we explore simple tools and practical software that help online sellers and small business owners to save time and grow efficiently. If this content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link in the description to explore DodgePrint and any available offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, DodgePrint is built to automate the workflow for print-on-demand business or stores. Instead of manually creating product, uploading designs, syncing orders, and updating inventory across different platforms, DodgePrint connects your stores and manages these tasks for you. The idea is very simple. You focus on designing and marketing your products while the tool handles the repetitive work. When you visit the official DodgePrint website, the layout is clean and beginner-friendly. You start by connecting your e-commerce stores, whether it is Shopify, Ecommerce, or other supported platforms. Once connected, you can upload your print designs, set product details, and define how orders should be fulfilled automatically. DodgePrint handles syncing product, updating inventory, and even sending fulfillment instructions to suppliers. One of the most helpful part of DodgePrint is automation. For example, if a customer places an order on a store, DodgePrint can automatically process the order, notify the supplier, and update the inventory across all of your stores. This reduces the mistakes, saves hours of manual work, and ensures customers receive their product on time. DodgePrint is especially useful for print-on-demand sellers, small business owners, and agencies who manage multiple online stores. Instead of logging into every store, creating products one by one, and tracking orders manually, the tool allows you to manage everything from a single dashboard. This helps reduce the stress and frees up time to focus on growth and marketing. Another important feature is reporting. DodgePrint provides the insights about sales, orders, and performance across all connected stores. This helps you make better decisions about which products to promote, which designs are popular, and where to improve. The AI-driven automation and analytics together make the workflow smoother and smarter. Now let's talk about the AppSumo as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and you get the long-term access. This is helpful for small business owners who want to avoid the recurring monthly fees. The first tiers of AppSumo is usually suitable for beginners who have one or two stores. It allows the basic automation features and a limited number of products, which is enough to test the tool and see how it improves the workflow. The next tier provides more flexibility. You can connect more stores, you can manage more products, and access the additional automation features. This is suitable for growing sellers who handle more customers and want smoother operations. Higher tier plans are designed for the advanced users or agencies managing many stores or clients. These plans support the larger product catalog, higher order volume, and more advanced integrations. If you manage multiple e-commerce clients or large stores, this tier gives you more control and scalability. If you are already running a print-on-demand business and want to save time while reducing the errors, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link can be very useful. You just select the tier that matches your needs and the offer will be applied automatically without any code or extra steps. Overall, DodgePrint is a practical tool for everyone who wants to automate print-on-demand workflows across multiple stores. It helps reduce repetitive work, save time, and ensures a smoother experience for both sellers and customers. So that's it for today's video, and that was the review of DodgePrint and the AppSumo lifetime deal. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.